Hello everyone. Did you love duck? Or you afraid of the smell that gives? No fear. Come to my kitchen. I show you how to get rid of the smell and you enjoy it. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. So if you watch my video often, I normally wash the poultry, the meat, when I cook them by using lime, lemon, and salt. So for the duck, they are very gamey, and the smell is very strong. Just like turkey, I don't like turkey because the smell is so strong. So for further to treat the ducks, first I scrub salt and lime or lemon over my ducks, and then I let it sit for 3 minutes and I rinse it off. And now to do further, I use smashed ginger and some of the spice vodka here. Whatever brandy and alcohol you have, you can use cooking wine, and you make a mixture of ginger and vodka or alcohol, and then after you rub the ducks with salt and lime and pepper and lemon, you rinse it off. Then after that you put the mixture of ginger and vodka on of it and let it sit for 3 more minutes, and you are ready to prepare. That's it. And one more note here. The end of the ducks is the place that gives the smell a lot. So you can cut it off if you want to, but like Asian people, they like to eat that piece. So mostly you need to extensively clean that place. And that's it. If you find it's still smelly, you can wrap the duck in flour, cornstarch, and after that you rinse it off. The flour will help to remove the smell as well. I still have one tip of my sleeve that I'm using a sugar apple leaves, but that is hard to find, so forget about that. You just use salt, lime or lemon, and then ginger and alcohol mixture. That's it. Make sure you do it inside and out. Outside the skin, at the end of the duck, and the inside. And you are fine with the duck, and you can prepare so many dishes. Please come back to watch my other video. I have some more recipe for duck, like a bacon duck, make at home, grilled duck with fermented soybean, cooked duck with star fruits. So when you like it, it's so wonderful. It's a nice meat. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.